Hello, kids. Welcome to Maths class. Today we will have fun with counting numbers.
Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
And 10!
Lily, how many apples are shown?
Only one.
Ethan, color only one box with red.
Look, Ethan, we have 2 balloons here. 2 blue balloons. That is why we have color. Only 2 boxes with color blue.
Lily, how many stars are here?
We have 3 glowing stars. Let's color only 3 boxes with yellow.
That's right, Lily. Let's count oranges. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Only 4 boxes are colored.
Look, children, here we have 5 rubber ducks.
So we color only 5 boxes for number 5.
Kids, count the pencils here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pencils.
6 pencils!
So only 6 boxes are colored.
Look, Miss Grace, how pretty. 7 flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number 7. Children, can you tell me how many fish are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
There are 8 fish! Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we have a total of 9 stars. Wow, so many candies! Here we have a total of 10 candies.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One more time!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Can you see the sunshine?
Yes!
How many suns do we have?
1.
Oh, look! Who came into our classroom?
Cats!
Let's count them together.
1 and 2.
Let's count the balls.
1, 2, 3.
3 balls. Look at the window.
Birds.
Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 birds.
Wow!
Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 ice cream.
How many books are here? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's count butterflies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
7 butterflies. Can you count the stars?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
8 stars. This is number 9. Everyone say with me, number 9.
This is number 10.
Number 9 and number 10.
1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4, 5, 6, clap happily. 7, 8, 9, jump in line. 10 is here, hooray, we shine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good, kids.
Yeah! 1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4, 5, 6, clap happily. 7, 8, 9, jump in line. 10 is here, hooray, we shine.
Today we have learned numbers. Repeat them at home.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5.
Like, subscribe, and share our videos. Bye-bye now, little champs.
Bye-bye.